see as young puffins, but they must be around. You just don't see them.
So, what do you reckon is the answer to that? You said it was a baby. They just go.
They just go. They don't see them brushing shore. When the young puffins fledge, they go offshore with their parents. Right. I think.
Right.
Look at all this plants here.
That's my guess now.
2,500.
2,500 pairs.
Yeah.
And about 2,000 pairs of guillemots and about 500 pairs of puffins. That makes 10,000 birds, doesn't it, of the auk. Of the auks. Let alone all the shearwaters and everything else that's here.
Wow.
These aren't official figures, these are my estimates.
Yeah.
You might, but you